Hey guys, it's Jason here with Wizards Products, here giving you the pro tip of the week. So my tip this week is a little bit different for you. I'm actually going to give you kind of a recommendation. For those of you who never tried our products, or those of you that are interested in maybe trying several different products, we have these cool kits. And the cool kit is designed to give you an option of different products inside. So for instance, this kit has the Shine Master product, it has the Tire and Vinyl Shine, the Mist and Shine, which is our #1 seller. Also has the all-wheel and tire cleaner, the Wizard Wash. It comes with one of our ultra-fine multi-fiber cloths. It comes with an applicator pad. It comes with a koozie, and it even gives you the opportunity to get a little LED flashlight. This also doubles as a cooler, as you can see. So most people reorder products, they put them in this bag, or they put them a few drinks in there, maybe some lunch at a car show. So this is my recommendation. If you have a shop and you want to give your customers a kind of a going away gift with their car where you've been using the Wizard products, then throw that in there. So once again, this is Jason with your pro tip of the week, and we'll see you down the road.